The crucible-melting ultrasonic atomizer is designed to produce high-quality metal powders with high sphericity, a narrow particle size distribution, and low oxygen incorporation. High-frequency ultrasonic waves act on the molten metal, generating cavitation and surface tension waves that atomize the liquid metal into micron-sized droplets. Particle size can be precisely controlled via frequency adjustment. The equipment consists of modules including a melting furnace, an ultrasonic system, an atomization chamber, a powder collector, and a PLC control system. The melting temperature can reach up to 1,300 degrees Celsius, with selectable ultrasonic frequencies ranging from 20 to 60 kHz. The fully sealed chamber is filled with inert gas to effectively prevent metal oxidation. Powder sphericity greater than or equal to 95%. Oxygen increase 20 to 100 ppm. No hollow or satellite particles. Excellent flowability. Energy consumption reduced by over 90% compared to gas atomization. Powder yield greater than or equal to 95%. No wastewater discharge. Inert gas can be recycled. Our ultrasonic atomizer supports a wide range of materials including aluminum alloys, magnesium alloys, copper alloys, and precious metals act, widely applicated in additive manufacturing, powder metallurgy, electronics, and semiconductors, and biopharmaceuticals. From melting to collection, one-button automated control ensures the stable and efficient production of high-quality metal powders.